All right, you guys, shout out to the subscriber who requested this one, man. So we got Lay Down with Melody and the Edwin Hawkins singer, live 1970, Candles in the Rain. All right, so we reacted to Melanie for a couple times now. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the subscriber for requesting this one. So we're going to be in here for a little while, so let's get ready to jam, all right? Oh, black and white.
Tell us a little more about yourself.
This is in the Netherlands?
I'm 23.
23?
Uh-huh. And, well, I'd like to tell you about the song.
Yes, tell me about the song.
Well, I wrote it after a big peace festival in the United States. And that was the Woodstock Festival. I don't know if you heard that.
Yes, just a second. Ze heeft het lied dat ze straks ten gehoor gaat brengen geschreven na een groot vredesfestival in Woodstock in Amerika.
After it was over, I had this fantastic feeling, and the song just came like that. But we just couldn't record it all by myself. We knew it was something special. So the first thing that came to my mind was that wouldn't it be nice if a religious group or some group could sing with me? But I didn't dream that the Edwin Hawkins singers would do it because they were very big, you know. And,
well, I think, why not do it?
Sure.
Huh? Dames en heren, Melanie en die Edwin Hawkins zingers samen in Lay Down.
Was that German?
Songs of peace. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Let's go fight, birds fly up, and the ones lay down.
Ooh, this is such a stable 70s theme song. Just to hear these type of songs live is so cool. I didn't realize her voice is so raspy, but it's nice. I can definitely hear the dang, what's that lady name? Jonah. Dang, I can't remember her name. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Well, who do y'all know who I'm? Janice. Yeah, Janice. Y'all know she kind of, when she gets high like that, she sounds just like Janice. I'm really liking the hook though.
We were so close, there was no room. We bled inside each other's wounds. We all had caught the same disease, and we all sang the songs of peace. Some came to sing, some came to pray, some came to keep the dark away.
Ooh, boy, taking us to church with this one, ain't it? All right, now, German. Y'all in there clapping with them. Come on, Germany. Ain't nobody ever sampled this song. Sing it, y'all. That's a great song. That's a great song, man. Never, my first time coming across the Edwin Hawkins singers, man. Maybe I might do solo reaction for them on the channel before Black History Month is over. But Melanie is, she definitely got the soul. Yeah, she definitely singing with the soul, man. So shout out to the subscriber who requested this one, man. So I'm gonna catch you guys at another one, all right?